Hundreds of dead birds mysteriously washed up on a Chilean beach on Sunday. The incident prompted environmental concerns among locals and authorities. However, it remains unclear what caused the deaths of approximately 200 birds that washed up along Changa Beach in northern Chile. Here now is a report.
We received a complaint about a large number of dead birds on Changa Beach in Coquimbo. We asked the public not to be alarmed until we know if it's an episode of avian influenza or not.